In this tutorial, I will show you that how can you download voice messages from Messenger in just few easy steps. This method works on PC only. It will not work on mobile phones. If you know a way to download voice messages on mobile, feel free to share in the comments so others can benefit. Let's get started. First, open the browser on your PC, go to messenger.com and log into your account that contains the voice message you want to download. Once logged in, right click on the blank area of the page and click Inspect Now. Click on Dimensions option at the top, click on it and then click Edit. Next, click Add Custom Device. You can name it anything you want. For example, Desktop 2. Leave the dimensions as they are. Now click the drop down menu and select Desktop. Then click Add. Close this window. Right click again on the page and click Inspect once more. In the Dimensions drop down, select the custom desktop you just created. Now go to Top Tabs and click on Network. Make sure Media is selected. At first, you won't see anything. Now click the refresh button and wait for page to reload. Once it finishes loading, you will see the voice message file appear in the list. Double click on the voice message, a new player will open. Click on three dots and select download. Choose where you want to save the file. You can rename it if you want. Then click save. And that's it. Your voice message is now downloaded and saved on your computer. So that's how you can download voice messages from Messenger in PC or desktop in just few easy steps.